Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max online class. So, what we did in the previous class? I gave you classwork, homework, then textbook sums. All we did, isn't it? So now I'll continue the classwork. Keep ready the Max classwork book. Keep ready Max classwork. I'll continue. Yes. In the previous classes, what we did? In the previous classes, we have written up to 5 and 21 to 30 in words. Then 601 to 700 numbers. All I have finished, isn't it? So now I'll continue the classwork. Keep ready the classwork. So in the previous class, I gave 21 to 30, isn't it? Now, right? 31 to 40 in words. Start in the classwork book. So, THIRTY, ONE 1, 31. THIRTY 30, TWO2 32. THIRTY 30, THREE3 33. THIRTY 30, FOUR 4 34. THIRTY 30, FIVE 5 35. So if you are having space, you can continue in the next line. I'll write beside. Okay. THIRTY 30 6 SIX 6 36. THIRTY 30 SEBN 7 37. THIRTY 30 EIGHT 8 38. THIRTY 39 39. FORTY 40. Okay. So take out classwork, Max classwork book. Start writing in the fresh page. WRIT, write 31 to 40 in words. THIRTY 30, ONE 1 31. THIRTY 30, TWO2 32. THIRTY 30, THREE3 33. THIRTY 30, FOUR 4 34. THIRTY 30, FIV 5 35. THIRTY 30, SIX 6 36. THIRTY 30, SCBN 7 37. THIRTY 30, EIGHT 8 38. THIRTY 30, NINE 9 39. FORTY 40. FORTY 40. Okay. So copy down in the classwork book neatly. Leave a line and write it very neatly. Yesterday you wrote up to, means in the previous class 21 to 30 we have finished. Now continue 31 to 40 in the classwork book by leaving a line and write handwriting neatly. Okay. I'll tell and give once. First, what you will do in the fresh page, start in the fresh page, write the heading, write 31 to 40 in words, then start. I'll tell and give 2 times, say now and write neatly. Okay. THIRTY 30, ONE 1 31. THIRTY 30, ONE 1 31. THIRTY 30, TWO2 32. THIRTY 30, TWO2 32. THIRTY 30. THREE 33. THIRTY 30. THREE 33. THIRTY 30. FOUR 34. THIRTY 30. FIVE 35. THIRTY 30. FIVE 35. You should say and write, okay? That time you learn the spelling of the 30 spelling all, okay? THIRTY 30. SIX 36. THIRTY 30. SIX 36. THIRTY 30. SCVN 7 37. THIRTY 30. SCVN 7 37. THIRTY 30. EIGHT 8 38. THIRTY 30. EIGHT 8 38. THIRTY 30. NINE 9 39. THIRTY 30. NINE 9 39. FORTY 40. FORTY 40. Understood? So, write this main in the classwork. After writing, keep ready the homework book. Homework while write that side. Okay? Don't get confused. You copy down in the classwork book 31 to 40. After writing, just keep ready the homework book. What you wrote in the homework book in the previous class? What homework we gave? I gave you vertical addition sums, isn't it? Today I'll give the homework horizontal addition sums. Okay. Yes. Today in the classwork book, only one main enough. I'll give the homework, then I'll start the textbook. After classwork, keep ready. Maths homework book. Today, I'll give homework horizontal addition sums. Write the heading horizontal addition. Do you remember this? We did in the homework classwork book and in the while teaching in the bridge course classes. That time also I taught you, isn't it? So keep ready the homework book. So I taught you two methods of addition, isn't it? You can count in the mind and finger or draw a lines and you can count and write the answers, isn't it? So two methods, any one method you can use and do. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, what's the answer? 1 plus 0, 1 itself. Any number, you add 0 to any number, answer will be the same 1. Two sums, I'll show the answers. Remaining you should do. 2 plus 1. So 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 2, 3. Right here, 3. Then 4 plus 2. 5 plus 3. 6 plus 2. Like that. Okay, you can count and do 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. That you can do by yourself. 2 sums I have shown. 3 sums you should do the answer. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 6, 7, 8. I won't write answers for this. This is the homework sum. So you should write and come the answer. Understand? Now to keep ready the textbook sums. So today we wrote classwork book only one main children. Then homework book you copy these sums. Then keep ready the textbook sums. So textbook sums in the previous class up to which page I did? Yes, we have finished up to 85. Now we have to start with the 86. Page number 86. Keep ready, page number 86. Okay, this sum. Yesterday we did arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Today, arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. 86. Page number 86. Have you opened? Yes. Page number 86, keep ready. We did these sums in the classwork. Do you remember? Arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. We did or not? Yes, we did in the classwork sums. Same sums are there in the textbook. See, arranged, I'll read the heading. See, arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. From biggest to smallest. So for sum, they have done, isn't it? They are only written the answers for the first sum. You need not to write the answer. We should start from second one. Like that, they have written for first one answer. So we'll start with the second sum. Everything questions also. They have printed for the answers. They have printed the boxes also. Just you should fill the answers inside the box. I am copying the questions. By the time you keep ready this page and pencil in the hand, I'll explain, understand, and you do the sums. Okay. Why I am copying questions again means for you to make you to understand well, isn't it? Otherwise, you will get confusion. That's why I am copying questions also. Yes. This side they have left the blanks boxes blank, isn't it? Empty boxes are there now. There you should fill the answers. Shall I start answer? Yes. Start the answer. See, arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. First sum they have finished. Second sum we'll see. 1072. Which is the biggest number here? 7. Right here 7. Next. After 7, which is the biggest number here? 2. Then 1. Then 0. Understand? From bigger to smaller. So don't get confusion, and some children will write off as it is. Whatever questions is printed, you will fill in the boxes, same numbers. Don't do that. Understand. Then do the answers correctly. Copy from the board, correct answers. Okay. Which is the biggest number in the third sum? 4, 6, 5, 7. Which is the biggest? 7 is the biggest, right here 7. Then after 7, 6. Then 5. Then 4. Okay. Then in the fourth sum, which is the biggest number? 0, 9, 3, 7. Which is the biggest? 9 is the biggest number. Then 7. Then 3. Then 0. Okay. Then fifth sum, 8, 6, 3, 5. Which is the biggest number in this 4 digit? 8. 8 is the biggest number. Then after 8, 5 is not 5. Which one? 6 now? 6 is the biggest number. Then 5. Then 3. Okay, they have mixed up and given here. We have to arrange it from bigger to smallest. One more sum also it's there here, isn't it? Last sixth sum. So I'll erase the homework side and I'll start. Have you copied the homework, children? Yes. Today you do this homework main. Same main. Sixth sum. I'm writing here 6807. 6. Sixth sum. Six, 8, 0, 7. So which is the biggest number in this? Here, which is the biggest number? 6807. 8 is the biggest, right? First, 8. Then, after 8, which is the biggest? 7. Then, 6. Then, 0. Understood? So, we have arranged this main from bigger to smallest. Same page down. See down, same page down. Circle the correct answer and also color the correct scoop. Here ice cream scoops are there now in this. You should color which is the correct answer. What is the heading? See? Number which comes after 7. I'll write that. Then you will understand. Same page, keep ready. Page number 86 itself. Down is there, see. Yes. See? They given the ice cream scoop there, isn't it? One I'll show, and again, won't draw on just one I'll show. Like this, ice cream scoop. They're given here question 5, 6, 8. They are written here number which comes after 7. They are printed like this, isn't it? Which number comes after 7? 5, 6, 8. Which number will come after 7? 8. So you should circle this 8. Okay. Here. This scoop. Here you should circle 8 and you should do color at home. Don't do coloring for all the numbers. Which is the correct answer? Only for that number you should color it. Which number you have circled, not that one. So same, this side also given. I am not drawing now, just I am showing. You should think and do. Like this written. And what question they have asked? Number which comes between 7 and 9. Between 7 and 9. Which number will come between 7 and 9? 8. So circle 8. Circle 8 here and color it at home. Understand? Now move to the 87 page. Page number 87. So page number 87. Keep ready. I will clear the board. By the time you keep ready, next page. This page number 87. Four, 3, 6. And here 4, 2, 5, 8, 10, 9. Questions, they are all printed for you children. You need not to write the question, just circle the correct answers. See the ice cream scoops and circle it. Question all I am not writing, just I am writing correct answers now. See, what's the question? Read here. Number which comes just before 5. Before 5, which number comes? Before 5, see, like this. Before 5, which number? 4. That's all, you circle 4. Circle 4. Next. 4 to 5. 1 more than 3. 1 more than 3. See, 3 you will be having. 1 more if you add for that. 3 chocolates you already having. 1 more you add for that. How many? 3 plus 1. 4. So circle 4. 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger you will count. You will understand. Circle 4. Next. Largest 1-digit number. See? Largest 1-digit number. 8, 10, 9. Which is very largest 1-digit number. See? 10 is having 2 digits. 1 digit, 2 digit. 9 is the largest single digit number. Circle 9. The correct symbol, see there, printed here. The correct symbol, what you will write for 9? Box, they are given 5 like this. Which symbol you will put? Greater, lesser, equals. Which symbol? 9 is bigger number than 5, isn't it? So put here greater symbol. 9 is greater than 5. So circle greater symbol. Understand this page? Same page down. Come to the next main. Same page down. See here, same page down. Isn't it? Backward numbers you should write it. Backward number. So they're printed like this. Inside that you should write the numbers, backward numbers. Start from left side. This one. Right to left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is backward numbers. Arrange the beats in the descending order they are given. Descending order means smaller, this one what? Bigger to smaller. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 like that. If you write backward numbers, it will be easy for you. Understand? Yes. Now, ready? Next page. 86 and 87 finished. Come to the next page. Page number 88. Page number 88. Write the bigger number in the bigger balloon and smaller number in the smaller balloon. See. They're given here 7, 3, and here small balloon, and here bigger balloon. Two sums they are given. This is it. 5 and 8. Yes. So which is the smaller number here? 3, right here 3. Then which is the bigger number? Right in the big balloon. Here write 5 in the smaller balloon, 8 in the bigger balloon. Understand this page? Next come to the next page. Next page sums. That is 89 addition sums. Page number 89. Keep ready, page number 89. Addition sums, isn't it? Yes. See, page number 89, have you opened? Adding means putting things together. We are finishing the classwork this sums, isn't it? I given definition for addition. See, adding means putting things together. The sign plus is used for addition and equal is used as say same or equal to. We read plus sign as plus, plus, plus. First sum they have done. Come to the next sum. Here, see, first some apple sum they have done. Now we'll move to the mango sum. How many mangoes are there? Just count it and write. See. How many mangoes are there? Here. 5 mangoes. Plus 2 mangoes. So they're given here mangoes picture. Below that count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fill the answer 5 in the box. And here 2 mangoes. Fill the answer 2. Then here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fill the answers 5. 5 plus 2 like that. Count the pictures and write. Then ball picture. How many balls are there? 6 balls. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write in the box 6. Then 2 balls. Here 2. Then count here. How many balls are there? See, 8 balls. Count it. And write in the box 8. Understand, children? So they're given the pictures here. Page number 89 open. Addition sums, that is. Count the pictures and write the numbers in the box. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5 here. 1, 2, write 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7. Like that also you can do. Otherwise, 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls right here. Then 2, 1, 2. Count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so count it and write. So page number 90. I'll continue in the next class. Okay, today you write the classwork, homework, then do these textbooks, some 3 pages what I thought. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you, children.